Hi, my name is Ometha, and today we're going to be making a Hungarian Esterhazy cake. This is the end result of my Hungarian Esterhazy cake. First, we're going to be taking 10 eggs and separating the egg whites and the egg yolks. I personally like to use a spoon to separate the egg yolks and the egg white, but you can use any method you like. For now, we're going to be using the egg whites only, but don't throw out the egg yolks because we're going to be using that for another recipe. Now we're going to be whipping these egg whites until they're frothy. Keep whipping it. Your end result should look like this. Now I have gotten 1 1/4 cup of sugar, and now we're going to gradually add it to the whipped egg. So, here we go. Now, we're going to whisk it. Now that we have added all the sugar, we're going to be whisking this for around 2 more minutes. Look how delicious this looks. Now we're almost done with our batter, and we just have to add either 2.5 cups of hazelnut flour or almond flour. And remember to whisk it until it's silky. Once you're done whisking, start folding it so that you can know that if it's thick enough. Alright. Now, we're going to be preheating the oven to 300 Fahrenheit. The beauty of this cake is that it has 10 thin layers, so we have to cook them individually. This is why I have a baking tray and a 10-inch wide parchment paper. Now we're going to be taking a scoop of this batter, and we're going to be putting it into the center of this parchment circle. After this, we're going to be slowly spreading it. Keep spreading it. Alright, now let's put these in. And we're gonna let them bake until they're rich brown. So approximately 5 minutes. Let's see how this turns out. While this layers are baking, we're gonna be making the egg yolk custard buttercream. So we're gonna be mixing the egg yolk with 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Make sure to whisk it until it's silky. Now we're going to be adding 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Once again, whisk it until it's silky. I have 1 1/4 cups of milk, and we're going to be boiling it right now. Now we're going to be adding the boiling hot milk. Remember to gradually add it because you don't want the egg to curdle. We're going to be putting this mixture in a saucepan and stirring it on a medium heat. Continuously stir it until it starts to boil and thickens. This is what it should look like in the end. Cool to room temperature. Now we're going to be whisking 10 ounces of butter on high for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to be adding the buttercream and 2 to 3 additions to the butter until it's smooth. Now we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now we're making the lemon glaze for the cake. We're taking 1 cup of powdered sugar and 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. And this should be the end result for your lemon glaze. Now we're gonna take our first layer of cake and add some frosting to it. So this is my Esterhazy cake. It's not the outcome I wanted, but it looks pretty good and I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste really nice. So let's look at the inside. Look at that. Beautiful.